Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to set up and run Laravel Voyager, the missing Laravel admin panel. So this allows you to create admin panel for your Laravel application easily. I am going to show you how you can install this and make it customizable for your Laravel application. So the final product will look something like this. The URL for this is admin/login, and you can change this to whatever you want, and you can log into this admin panel using your credentials. If I log in, this is how it looks like by default when you install this. So it provides a whole bunch of features which you can use for your Laravel application. You can see these are settings, tools, different tools for databases, and you can create migrations, a whole bunch of things. You manage your user with permission and dashboard. You can see analytics here, but for that you will need to connect this to your Google console developer account. So let's get started. Link to this project will be given in the description below, and I am going to show you how you can set up and run this Laravel package. So first we need to install this using Composer. So just copy this command and go to your terminal and paste this command, and this will make an error that will show some error that there is something wrong with this package. And yeah, here we go, they are showing error that we can't install this directly, we need to use this static. So actually this is the problem with the version, so we need to use the latest version. So just add these colon and then a static and then hit enter. This will install this Voyager Laravel admin panel package. Now it is installed, so let's check what we need to do. They are saying you need to set up your database connection and make sure that your app URL is correct. So let's go to .env and make sure that our credentials are correct. So the app URL is correct. I'm running this on localhost, and the database name, and make sure you provide this information here, and that's it. Now we need to install this. So the command for that is php artisan voyager install. So go back to terminal, paste this command and hit enter. So it says there is some error, so let's fetch the table. I have provided this table, database, so let's push this database so that it could work fine. php artisan migrate fresh. Once this is done, by default they are adding some migrations to this Laravel application. You can see permissions and settings and menus, translations, and a lot more controllers, orders, a whole bunch of migrations they are adding to this application. So we got another error. Column already exists, column name avatar. Seems like I have already avatar in the user migration, so let's check. Avatar, yeah, I already have it here, so I will remove this one and run again this migration. And this time this should pass. Now it is done, so let's see what next we need to do. We need to prepare the installer. So PHP artisan we get install or with dummy, so let's just install it and see if this is going to see the pack data or not. It is loading, and also they are providing the default credentials for this, and they also provide the command that how you can create unique or another user account for in this voyager admin panel. So now this is done. Let's clear the screen. If you want, you can use dummy data to test how this looks like. So let's copy this and see how the dummy data looks like. It is copying some vendor files. You can see copy directory to as storage public. Now seeding the pack data to the database. It is loading, creating some pages. Awesome stuffs. And I think that is all we need to install, all we need to do in order to install this package. So now we are done, so let's actually try this and start the server so that we see it is running or not. Not this one, PHP artisan server, development server started, and let's see. Now this is just a basic application, so let's go to admin/login as they are providing here /admin, and it will automatically redirect through to /login. So now this is installed, and all we need is to enter the credentials. So by default they are providing the credentials for us, so let's try these if these works or not. So first the username and email, and the password is password, and let's log in, and here we go, it is installed in this project. So let's move around and see what we got. So here is the pack user admin, and here you can change your profile for settings. Here they are providing the customization of this profile, so edit my profile. This will here you can edit your credentials and profile information, images. You can change your image, you can change local language, password, etc. Now this is the dashboard. If you have some special project, you can connect this to your Google Analytics. From here you can here they have rules for rules and permission for users, and here they have one user, admin and user. So let's go to user, and for each they are providing the CRUD system. So this means you can add and edit and update the stuffs. And this is the default user from which we are logged in, and the role is administrator, as you can see here. And there also shows the seeder from which this is seed. So here you can create users, and you can do a lot of stuffs using this voyager package, Laravel package, admin generator. So here you can upload medias, posts, avatars, all media for this project will you can find it here. It is like a WordPress. It provides you the ability to check and see all your files inside your browser instead of going back to the file system. Here we have posts for related to this, and I think this is just a packs because we use the dummy data here. We use the dummy right here with dummy data, so we install this with dummy data. That's why they are providing some pack posts here, or posts, and you can edit this and as well as delete these. We have pages, so let's see how much pages we have this in this project. This is just a simple project. I installed it just before this video, and a hello world page with image, and you can edit it, you can delete it, you can add another one. And then we have categories. It is like a vlog or a vlog post system where you have categories and post related to that categories. So here here is the category CRUD system where you can add, delete, update your categories. So we dump some dummy data, so that's why they are showing two categories, category 1 and category 2, and they have slugs for that with pagination. And then we have tools, and inside tools we have a lot of things. Menu builder, you can create menu for your application, for the front end application from the user side, not the admin side. And here is the menu there, and they are also providing the hint there how you can use this menu. And then we have the database here. The cool things are here you can even create migrations as model and database relations for this application. So here you can create new table. Let's click on this. It is like PHP My Admin system where you can create a row, field name as well as column names. Here you can put the field name and then type and then length and also a lot of things. So, and I'm not gonna do this. So let's go back. Let's go back. And it is already responsive, which is cool. And then we have compass here. We can run some commands as well. So instead of going back to your terminal, you can run your commands right here, and you can customize these loading system as well. You can customize the everything for yourself related to your application. So here they are providing some basic fonts and icons related to this Voyager package. And then we have commands. So here you can run every command that you can run on your terminal. So instead of terminal, you can run your command direct just by clicking on these buttons. So let's try the basic one, which is inspire. Where is the inspire one? And by the way, there are a lot of commands. So let's try this inspire one. Click on this icon. They will provide you the button to run this command. So here you can pass in additional information. So inspire don't have any additional information, so that's why I'm just clicking on the run button. So let's run this command and see that Voyager package inspire us or not. So it is loading now, and here we go. Addition command output. I began to speak only and blah blah blah. They are just a simple inspirational code created by this PHP Artisan Inspire, and all the commands that you can run on your terminal you will find it here. And then we have other things. Let's check the settings one so that we can see what's inside this settings page. So here they are also providing the hint that how you can use this, and here you can customize your site as well as admin site. So admin and site from the user and for the admin. So here you can choose your title, description, logo, which is cool, and then you can save it from here. And you can choose where you want to use this on the site or the admin, and you can go to the admin site from here directly. You can see the default name is Voyager, so that's why it displays that here in Google Analytics system, which is really amazing. You can choose icons, a lot of stuffs. So let's go back to user dashboard. So I think that's it for this video. This is really amazing. You can do a lot of cool stuff with this. It will make your life easy while building a Laravel application. So go ahead and check this out. I will provide this link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.